Hey guys, welcome back to Paracord Planet. I'm Luke, and in this video I'm going to be covering how to properly tie a ridgeline for your hammock setup. The rule of thumb that I've heard for choosing the length of your ridgeline is that it's 83% of your hammock length. But if you don't want to do the math, you can just kind of play around with what's comfortable for you. I'm going to start by just tying the ridgeline onto the same carabiner that my hammock is attached to. For a normal hammock setup, you're going to want to stretch your hammock pretty tight, but when you're using a ridgeline, the whole idea is that you have a lot more slack in your line so that you can sleep flat in the hammock. Since I'm not sure how long I want my ridgeline to be, I'm going to use an adjustable grip hitch so that I can adjust it as I go, instead of retying the knot every time. So to do that, wrap your cord around the standing cord, got way too much slack there, 2 times. Like that. And then we're going to wrap it around both cords once. Then when you come back around, just stick your slack through the last loop. That's going to allow us to change the length of our ridgeline without it sliding on us. Once your line is taut, go ahead and get in and test it out and see if it works for you.